580. I'm gonna give you 20 pesos. How's your day?
Thank you. Okay lang.
Very good. Thank you for making business. Wait lang. Hi there, guys and girls. One lovely morning to each every one of you. Day 154 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, disappointed, angry, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not push through and will not prosper. Beware and be aware. Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Earn and earn, save, save, save. Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.